Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you a very easy beginner knitted toque that you can make with just scraps of yarn. So let's get started. And this pattern will be free on my blog and the link will be below this video. To make these very easy scrap knit hats, I'm going to work with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and 8mm knitting needles. To start, you will cast on, and I cast on by wrapping around my thumb, and then I twist it off so that I have a twist at the end like that. And I have another video on how to do this cast on. I'll put the link below. And then to do the first stitch, you place the yarn around the needle and then pull that off over. And that's your first stitch. So to do the second stitch, you just do the same thing. Wrap your thumb around, place that stitch on the needle, yarn over the needle, and then pull that over and tighten it up. And that's how you cast on your stitches. For newborn, you'll cast on 32 stitches. And you're just going to go ahead and cast on as many stitches as you need. And this pattern will be free on my blog, and I'll put it in the link below. So I'm just going to do a few stitches here to show you how to make this hat. So once you have all your stitches cast on your needle, you'll then work in knit 2, purl 2. To knit a stitch in knitting, pass the needle through the stitch, yarn over the needle in between the 2 needles, and then pull that over and then off the needle. So that's 1 knit, 2 knits. Now to purl, I'm going to bring my yarn over, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Put the needle through the stitch, wrap the yarn between the 2 needles, bring the stitch onto that needle, and slide it off that needle. Now I do 2 knit stitches, so 1 and 2. Now I'm going to purl, so I'm going to bring my yarn back over, and I'm going to purl 2. Prepare for the knit stitch, bring the yarn back over, and knit 2. Like that, and purl 2. And to knit these very easy hats, you just continue to work knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, until the hat is as long as you would like it to be. And so you will knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. And you just keep doing that until the hat is as long as you need it to be. And all the sizes are in the pattern on my blog. I'll put the link below so you can go and get your free pattern. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.